Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Shallow More and bago pa lang ako dito sa YouTube vlogging.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Shallow More and bago pa lang ako dito sa YouTube. Actually, this is my first time. I am a young mother, a wife, and a young teacher, but most of all, I am a makeup enthusiast. So ngayon nga, marami akong makeup na collect and I'm currently using. That's why naisipan ko na maggawa kaya ako ng vlog na. Ever since kasi maliit pa ako, like ganito pa kaliit, chika na talaga ako. They always say na napaka-obvious the way how I act, na I'm really kikay and girly. Kaya hanggang ngayon, syempre nadala ko kahit meron akong trabaho, kahit I am working as a public school teacher, I some act and use my makeups every now and then. So if you want to know more about me and my makeup strategies and how I balance my life as a mother, as a wife, as a teacher, please hit the like button and subscribe. So what I'm going to show you is about my 5-minute fresh makeup look using my 5 favorite products to use every day. So itong video na to ay napaka simple, even beginners can do this. So without further ado, let's proceed. So let's start, but before tayo mag-move sa 5-minute fresh makeup look, let us not skip our daily facial preparation. So I'm going to spray Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe, herbs, and rose water. I got this one in 50 ml. Bought this from Hot Finds Manila. So they sell mga pre-pack na facial spray. Let us proceed sa cream products which I use daily. I have the Innisfree Perfect UV Protection Cream with SPF PA+++50+. So this is my sunblock. Next, I have here also the QuickFx No Shine Mattifier. So this is my mattifying cream. And the last one, I have Maybelline Baby Skin Pore Eraser. So, pang blur ng pore. So, I usually mix the 3 products in my hands para hindi tayo, hindi time consuming. So, to make this stage or this portion na mabilis lang, the 3 products, I will mix it in my hands. Then pag na-mix mo na, saka ko na yon inilalagay sa face ko. Then as usual, spread the products evenly. Tin ko for my 5-minute fresh makeup look. Don't worry, I will be writing sa description yung mga prices and the link where I got these products. So first step is to apply evenly on your face or BB cream. So I'm using the BLK Dream Satin Perfector in the shade 02 or medium. So I like this product because kahit oily ako, it still suits my skin type. Tsaka it automatically brightens my face, yung mga darkness under my eyes na kakover niya. So it looks natural compare wearing yung mga liquid foundation. Okay, let's apply evenly. So after our BB cream has dry, pagkatapos na matuyo yung nilagay natin nga BB cream, let's proceed to our brows. Because kilay is life. So for my kilay, I am using Sunnies Face Lifebrow skinny pencil in the shade ash brown. Actually, I bought this one in the Lifebrow Duo, yung may kasamang broming gel. But for this video, kahit yung skinny pencil lang is enough. So, I don't want yung brows ko na masyadong plakado. I want it natural since makapal naman talaga yung kilay ko. So, let us draw a line under your brows. Doon ko siya usually inuuna under. Kasi gusto ko yung parang ombre effect, yung medyo natural lang yung sa start ng kilay. So, yung sa taas ng kilay, the same yung sa baba. Hindi ko ina-outline from the center, yung malapit sa ilong. Pero, doon ako sa middle. Kasi mamaya gagawin natin yung sa malapit sa center. So, draw an outline sa taas. Following your natural brow shape lang tayo. Ngayon, pumunta tayo sa center ng brows o yung nasa malapit sa nose line. So, for this part, nagdodraw ako ng medyo hair stroke like na lines. Pero, make sure na thin ito. Hindi yung masyadong makapal. Para lang yung hair sa kilay mo. Ganon. Then, brush up ulit para mas spread yung product. Kasi, hindi naman natin gusto na parang masyadong makapal yung nasa gitna, yung malapit sa nose line. After nun, the same procedure yung gagawin natin sa kabilang kilay. Pagkatapos natin gawin yung kilay, make sure to double check if pantay pa sila. Pero sometimes, hindi maiwasan na hindi talaga magpapantay yung kilay. Then, let's move on sa cheeks natin. And bonus na yung color ng eyelid. I am using Sunnies Face Airblush in the shade Dull. So, let's use it for our cheeks and also sa ating eyelids. So, gawin muna natin yung sa eyelids. So, get enough amount ng product, then i-apply natin sa both natin na eyelids. So, para siyang magsiserve as creamy na eyeshadow. So, after nating magawa yung sa eyelids, pumunta naman tayo sa cheeks. So, para sa cheeks, maglagay muna tayo paunti-unti. So, draw a small line or dot, tatlo, sa apples ng cheeks. Then, spread it sa cheeks mo. Spread. After mag-spread, make sure na makuha mo yung anong gusto mong shape ng blush cheeks using our fingers. So, make sure na malinis. Then, to add color sa mukha. Pag nagawa mo na yon dalawang eyelids, let's get again our Sunnies Face Lifebrow na ash brown. Pero hindi para sa brows. Let's use it as our deep liner. So, simply draw a line sa deeps ng eyes. O yung sa banda ng eyelashes line. Para mag-brighten up yung eyes. Also, do the same procedure sa kabila. Draw a thin line malapit sa eyelashes. To finish our eye makeup, let us put some mascara. So, yung gagamitin ko ngayong mascara ay ang Maybelline Total Temptation Mascara. Ito yung blue-green na waterproof. So, compare sa isang Total Temptation yung color pink na nag-smudge siya katagalan. So, I'm not using any eyelash curler. Now, last but not the least, to finish up our 5-minute fresh makeup look, let's wrap it up with our simple and daily use friendly na lipstick or lip shade. So, I will be using the L'Oreal Paris Les Macarons. So, these are infallible and ultra matte. Ito yung bagong labas na liquid lipstick line ng L'Oreal. So, I have here the shade 820 Praline de Paris. Praline ba yun? Praline? Praline de Paris. So, I like the applicator. Madaling i-apply sa lips since I have very thin lips. So, spread the lip color evenly and make sure to erase any smudges na lumalagpas sa lips mo. And voila! My 5-minute fresh makeup look is done. So with only 5 products, I have come up with my look today. It is very simple, very natural, and very pink. So kahit lumabas ka, hindi masyadong nakaka-distract ang face. So I hope you like it, chicas, and if you do, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. That's all for today. See ya!